Ikea, we're here. Woo!
Okay, stop. So Mom, we need to have a little chat here. I heard that you're buying Courtney like her bed frame, her mattress, and like everything like that. Do you know what I got when I moved into my first place?
I think.
I got Opa's like 20-year-old mattress, not even a bed frame.
And Opa slept on that bed.
Yeah.
And did other things.
That's not the point. The point is you're gonna spend like a couple $1,000s on her, and I didn't even get that.
No, she thinks I'm spending a couple $1,000s on her, but
just wait.
not happening. We have a time limit here. Chop, chop.
Yeah, let's go.
Spend.
Good morning! Good morning! Today is Ikea day, and I've never been more excited in my life. I am shopping until I drop. Should I buy one of these, or should I go to a dollar store for these?
$7.99.
Like, that's one thing at dollar store, they're good. Some things are good, but like stuff like this, would I prefer to buy it here? Do or die situation. Do I buy a can opener or not? No, seriously though. Did you hear that? So last night I found for it. Well, you need a truck, so you get to have to know when it's coming. No, but then that wasn't the funny part. Do you hate your life right now?
No, I love it. I just don't know what you're going to actually use. Like,
this is for cheese. I needed a grade cheese.
yes. Do you like that type of grater?
I don't know. You tell me. Do I
It
like
goes in
it?
there.
Yeah, and you could keep it in there, in the fridge.
Do you like the color blue?
Well, no. Is there any other colors? No. Mom, how are we doing? How are we feeling
Great.
here?
I'm feeling good. Are we
So
ready to
far,
check out?
no,
Check
not
out.
at all.
We're going check out.
We're going good. I got a little garbage can, a little white cute one. Got some plates and cups. All right, let's get her going.
Okay. Let's go.
Instead of a dresser, and then I'm gonna get the little table for my vanity.
It's gone.
So that's that. It's all filled out.
No, I mean, it's black.
Yeah, no, that's fine, Mom.
Oh,
Can we talk about the outfit for a second? Oh, I didn't even put my shoes on yet. Oh man, this is the best part.
It's bigger than you are.
But I like it. Wouldn't it be cute beside my bed?
Yeah,
It's only $60.
it's not bad actually. I need a lamp too.
Okay, Mom.
Try and lift it.
We'll break down. We don't have time for this shit. I just need to know if I can get the stressing
Stressing out hard.
Time to get to business. Okay, seriously though, like I can't fit this in. How the hell am I gonna fit this?
Where'd she go?
Hey, Mom? I'm freaking looking at something. This is $12. Should I just go to the dollar store? It's a leash.
Yes. That's stupid.
But I got little doggy bags for 99 cents.
That's not bad.
I got 2 packs. But
Don't break everything.
what?
So don't break
I
anything.
know. I wish I had like, well, I can't fit anything else.
You have to get another
That's
cart.
it. All I'm doing is a
We're not even halfway through IKEA and you can't fit anything else.
Mom.
pictures to see where we get this. What's this?
It's a lamp. Let me show you it.
That's nice.
All right, kids, this is the update. I'm doing well. Got my bed, got my vanity, got a rug, and my nice shoes.
What are those?
My pots, my pans, my plates, my cups. Killing it on this apartment stuff. All right, kids, let's get her moving. We're good.
All right, I'm hungry.
Guys, we literally just spent $1,400 at Ikea. And like we actually got quite a bit. Like I'm actually proud of us. Like there's actually a good amount of stuff that I got. Like I literally just need a coffee table now and like towels and like blankets. But like I got my cups, my plates, my bed, a
We have to pay
lamp.
for this first, and then you can go shopping once this is paid
I
for.
got my vanity. I got what else did I get? I got a TV stand. I got little tables. It's been a good day. It's been a really
You
good
got
day.
no dish towels, you can't wash or dry.